Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the fasteners. Pry off the plastic front cap with a trim tool and remove the 2 Phillips screws. This releases the front of the armrest. Once done, slide the lid back about 1/2 inch to reach the hidden Torx fastener beneath. Make sure to unplug the 12V outlet wiring now so you don't stretch or break the connector later. Keep screws in a small labeled tray so reassembly is straightforward and parts don't walk away. Next, remove the Torx T20 screws at the hinge and the rear pivot. These hold the armrest bracket to the console. You'll feel a few retaining clips. Use a trim tool to gently pry them instead of yanking, because the plastic tabs are fragile and expensive to replace. As you lift the armrest, guide the foam pad and any wiring harnesses through their channels so nothing snags. This controlled motion prevents tearing the upholstery and preserves clip alignment for reinstallation. To finish, disconnect any remaining plugs, lift the armrest straight up and clear of the console, and set it aside on a clean surface. Inspect the clips and screw bosses. If any are damaged, replace with OEM parts so the fit and function are retained. If the armrest is stubborn, check again for overlooked screws and apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant to corroded fasteners. Let it sit, then work the clips gently. This avoids breaking plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.